Today I'm going to be installing some Kemimoto Fang lights on my 23 XDS. Front turn signature lights is what they call them, but they also have a multicolored feature, so you can pick whatever color you want. I'm actually not going to use the turn signal feature at all because I don't plan on making this thing road legal. This is everything that's in the box. There's the wiring for the turn signals that I'm not going to use, and then here's your wire harness for the lights. Comes with a little remote control, but I'm sure you can see there's an app right here, so you could actually scan that barcode right there and pull up the app, download that, and then you can control the colors with the app. So you have to take the entire front clip off to get to the signature lights here. So there's a little comparison for you, side by side, what they look like. All right, there you go. Everything's all put back together, and I gotta say they look pretty sweet. And it has different modes too, so let's try a mode. So that's awesome.